Okay, so this just came in. This is the Razer Cynosa Chroma keyboard. This is a membrane keyboard by Razer. Now, I know the packaging is messed up. I actually got this from Amazon Warehouse. This is just a big chunk taken out. I think a sticker used to be here. I got all these stickers on here, so the packaging is ruined. You got tape all over it. But I got this keyboard. I got a good deal on it. I think I got it for like $30 after taxes or something. Is actually a pretty good deal. But I wanted to get this keyboard because, oh yeah, a lot of the packaging's missing. It actually looks pretty good though. Basically what I wanted to do is I want to take this plate off, this whole outer plate. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to spray paint it white because I really want a white Razer keyboard. I just don't want to have to pay the money for the Mercury edition, which is the Razer keyboards. So if we look at this, see if I can get this on camera. There's a little bit of a click there, but these are membrane keys. It's not going to beat a mechanical keyboard, obviously. But to have an entire keyboard with the full access to the Razer software so that you can do all the lighting on here is actually really, really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'll take this out and I'm going to disassemble it. And I'm going to take this front plate off so that I can go paint it. Now, unlike the Black Widow Chroma, as you can see on the side here, there is no USB pass-through or audio jacks. This is a very, very vanilla keyboard. But you really are getting what you pay for. As far as membrane keyboards, yeah, this is actually pretty good. This is one of the better membrane keyboards that I felt. But this is just really because I wanted to paint it and have an actual white keyboard with access to the chroma lighting. I just think that that's pretty cool. Honestly, you probably are better off getting like a Red Dragon. If you want a mechanical keyboard with switches, you're probably better off going for one of the cheaper mechanical keyboard brands out there. So I'm going to cut away. I'm going to get this disassembled, and I'm going to get the front plate off, and then I'm going to take y'all outside where we can spray paint it. Okay, so I finally got the plate off. It was just a bunch of screws, honestly. It was not that big a deal. So, yeah, it's just a matter of going to take this out in the garage and paint it. So, yeah, let's go do that. And here we have a finished keyboard. A white Razer keyboard for $30. Very satisfied with how this turned out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching, and see you next time.